This lemon curd recipe is very easy to make. I start with 4 egg yolks, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, and 6 tablespoons of butter. Now to start with, I'm going to combine the sugar and the water and the zest. I'm going to just bring the sugar into the water and zest. Then I'm going to add my egg yolk. Bring this to a boil. And once you get it stirred up, mixed in together, all combined, you can use a wooden spoon, which will help with the flat bottom to take the sauce off the bottom of the pan as it cooks so it doesn't burn. Now that it's been cooking for a couple of minutes, I'm going to add my butter. This is 6 tablespoons of butter. Just keep stirring it. Now this is going to thicken up as it cools.